One of the hardest things you will ever do is heal alone. And when I say heal alone, what I mean is healing without using other people to fill the void that you feel. To heal without dating people when you know you're not ready. To heal without going out every weekend, to meet someone, to meet other people, to have a good time, to distract yourself, to fill up your schedule with a million things so that you cannot sit in your grief and think about it. Healing on your own will be one of the hardest things you will ever do. It will force you to sit in your grief and feel it. And it is an awful feeling. It's an awful, awful feeling. But it will heal you inside and out. It will heal you. And it's not fair to use other people to fill the space that they can't fill. They can't. It's not fair to do that. It is your work. It is up to you to become whole on your own, because you will never be able to show up truly authentically in a relationship or a connection with another person until you become whole on your own. Or at least in the process of becoming whole on. Heal alone. Heal alone through therapy, journaling, sitting in your pain, self-awareness, affirmations, manifestation, prayer, meditation, exercise, whatever it takes. Do it on your own, and I promise you will reap the rewards.